Let's go ahead and move it out. What? Yeah. I'm gonna get in trouble with this.
How bad do you want it? AD! You want it?
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah?
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be installing the RS-R SUPERDOWN Springs on the Supra. So this will give it about 1.5 inches of a drop on the car. So let's go ahead and unbox it and put it on the car and get to work. All right, so we got the wheels off and everything. So let's get to the fronts. So there's a way that you can do it by just pulling out the strut assembly. But we gotta go from the top, loosen some things. I'll show you guys right now. All right, so quick update on the install. As you can see, this is the side that we started on. It's already nighttime. So I've been on this for 8 hours. We have Eric here, who's a full-time tech at Toyota, Master Tech. He just came right now and knocked out that driver's side in 8 minutes. So yeah, super guys, if you have anything you need to get done in your car, don't let me work on it, let Eric or Nick work on it. Nick called out today, but we have Eric. So that's Eric over there. What I'm trying to say is that we have someone here who can work on Toyotas all day. So yeah, Master Tech. I was trying. Trust me, Angel told me to call you. I didn't. You know why? Pride. And
We built the fastest ones.
I mean, I gotta work on fire at home, but usually just call.
So yes, after 8 hours, I had to tag Eric in. So, but because of him.
Yeah, because
Oh.
I am just too busy to be doing my own shit. Like, honestly,
No, he's just tired of working on my car.
I'm tired of working this car. Part of the deal was he was gonna wrench on it, and then if you saw his last video, if you haven't, be sure to subscribe. But if you haven't, you would have saw I did all the work.
Oh.
So I told him, hey, yeah, we'll do the springs. Well, you'll do the springs. I'll guide you if anything. And well, he was taking too long. So like, okay, well, how about we just call the other technician here, and if he wants to help you, he can, but I'm not.
But
So
hey,
he had
I tried. I didn't say I would do it. I would try though.
It was a worthy.
I'm gonna go back to my office.
All I'm gonna say is it took 2 guys to take off 1 spring in like a couple hours. So
And what about the other side?
it took like 10 minutes for this guy. Wait, what? 2 guys, 1 spring? So, now I know why you asked me when I'm gonna get in alignment, is because since we're messing with the control arm and everything, and I'm not too sure exactly what that is, but if we don't put it back at that exact same spot, it's gonna be off, so that's why he marked it. So again, Master Tech stuff. He's light.
Taking a break or what?
Sure.
A little more. Another way?
Yep. You're good. Yeah.
All right.
Lower.
Yeah. So you good? That's all right. We'll tighten them up when we get up in there.
Alright, cool. How? What do you mean?
Hey, you're gonna be way more conceited and egotistic when your car's lower now.
Hey, now that my car's lowered, bro, I'm gonna be even cockier, dude.
Hey, you're gonna be way more cocky now that his car's lower.
Yep. Nope.
Dang, Kevster got the gains though.
Alright, someone help me out? No.
What do you need, Kevin?
There you go. Studs. So I need you, stud.
This is your car?
No.
Can I make a video?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so after many hours and a lot of help, the A90 is finally lowered on the RS-R SUPERDOWN Lowering Springs. I think it looks pretty amazing. It's for sure pretty low. And again, these are just on stock tires and wheels. But once I do put my wheels that I have already for the car and with the bigger tire, it should all line up just nice. But there you go. It's for sure a lot lower. All right, y'all, so that'll conclude the RS-R SUPERDOWN Lowering Springs install for the A90 Supra. I'm in love with how it looks so far. I can't wait to put some wheels and bigger tires on the car, but for a stock setup, I think it looks pretty sweet. So until next time, I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.